In this video, we are picking up where we left off in the I-cord tag cast on video with how to work across the I-cord tag cast on and pick up stitches from an invisible provisional cast on edge. Once the desired number of stitches is cast on, we need to work across the project so that we can pick up stitches from this cast on edge. How to work across these stitches varies by pattern, so please refer to your pattern instructions. For this video, I'm just going to knit across the edge stitches and across the body stitches. Now that we've knit across, we can pick up the stitches from the cast on edge. I find the easiest way to do this is to pick up the stitches and then twist them to the proper orientation in two separate steps. So first, I'm going to pick up the stitches from the provisional cast on. I usually work this from the slip knot towards the tail because then the stitches are ready to go. All the stitches are going to be picked up from back to front, although the second and even stitches will be the opposite direction than they should be on the waste yarn. So to pick up these stitches, I'm picking this one up from back to front. If I look at the loop, it's not twisted, so back to front is fine. This one I need to pick up back to front, and it's a little trickier because it's on the yarn backwards. And then this last one I can pick up the same direction that it is on the waste yarn. Once I've picked up all those stitches, I can remove the slip knot and take out the waste yarn. Once all of the stitches are on the needle, we're going to bring the working yarn to the front of the work. This is going to help set up for the I-cord on the next row. At this point, we need to twist these stitches so that the first becomes last and the last becomes first, and so that the purl side of the stitches is facing the front. You can do that by rotating your needle, or you can do what I like to do, which is to insert my needle as if I'm going to purl all of those stitches through the back loops together. And that can be a little tricky depending on how many you have on your needle. And then just slide them all over to the other needle. And you're all ready to work the next row. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you would like new tutorials delivered to your inbox, sign up for our newsletter at knit.tips/news.